How do? Welcome to the channel. How are we? Fine, I hope. I'm okay. Day off. Well, I'm coming to the end of my day off. And today I had a mail call. Thank you, Gordon Christie. We have finally got my hands on some of Matti Lindholm's soap. Been trying to get hold of some of this for ages, but thanks to Gordon, thank you very much. Just a sample, but it's what's a scent? Aniseed, you know those blackjack sweets? That's really what it reminds me of. I've never read the scent notes of this, but I'm getting aniseed. I'm getting a woodsy scent. And it's very nice. So, first time using Matti's soap. At last, at long last. I have messaged Matti in the past. And say he always refers me to marrying a barbarian, so he must think I live on the other side of the pond, but as most you can tell, I don't. Okay, razor for today. Now, last night I was thinking, what am I going to shave with tomorrow? I know, I haven't used my Muhle Rocca for a long time, so I thought, that's the razor for tomorrow. So, YouTubing earlier, and I came across CB Shaves, Chris Bedwell. What's he using? What's he just got? Muhle Rocca. I messaged him, I says, you swine. I was going to shave my Rocca on video today. He says, oh, it's okay. He says, go for it. But he's just gotten his Muhle Rocca. I've had mine for a while now. I'll just show you the insides. Flat on the bottom. You don't have any lava channels. What you do have is like these gutters, flanges on the top surface of the base cap. What happens is the lava is forced under the blade into these channels here, so the lava actually comes out the sides of the razor. So in there I'm going to be putting an asset on its second use. Doing this as blind as a bat again. And excuse my fingernails, they're a bit grubby. It's not because I'm dirty. It's because I've been honing a razor for Mr. G. He's bought a gold dollar and he bought it shave ready, but it really wasn't. The stabilizers were abnormally big, far too big. So whoever had owned it previously, I haven't gotten anywhere near it. I'm actually on my third attempt with it now. But got the stabilizers ground down. Okay, brush for today. Where have I put the brush for today? I don't believe it. I'm in such a tiny den here that I can't find. Oh, there we go. I should really wear my glasses. It's this. It's Tuxedo. It was made by Steve McEwen. Silver Birch brushes. He turned it. So that's the brush for today. So I'm just going to wet this brush. The Muhle Rocca. It's the handle. As Chris rightly said, it's top heavy. And the reason for that is the handle is actually hollow stainless steel tubing. Ooh, the woodsy scent's coming out a little bit more now. It was aniseed forward, but the woodsy scent's coming out, well, in equal measures at the moment. Say 30th of April, the channel will be 12 months old, being open to be up to 500 subs before that date, and I am now on 497. So please just, not many more to go. So I'm going straight onto the face. First time using Matti's soap. Second time using a Swedish soap. That smells really nice. So I've only ever seen people on YouTube lathering this up. So no experience at all myself, so Don't know how much water it's going to take. As you can see, I've got quite a scruffy couple of days growth on here. Again, work pattern, shift system, been playing havoc. I get home and I just can't be bothered doing things. But the old body clock got really confused last weekend. Well, this weekend just gone. I am one of those people that usually wakes up without an alarm clock, especially if we haven't been drinking the night before. Now, with working, I'm driving a bus, so I can't be drinking the night before. So, usually getting up for work, no need for an alarm. Got a spot there, so there might be a decapitation coming along. Sorry about that. So Saturday, wakes up. I was due to start work at 07:40 AM, obviously. Wakes up, looks at my watch. Yeah, got time to get up. Do the teeth, have a wash, even had time for a shave and a shower. Spot of toast. Wow, this is taking a great amount of water. So, spot of toast. Out of pops, into the car. Arrives at work. No problems whatsoever. Goes to get my vehicle allocation, i.e. the bus I'm going to be using for my first part of my shift. I love Tuxedo nuts. Allocator, the guy allocating vehicles. Morning, Jim. That's all that was said. There was nothing else. There was no other comments. Yeah, it's flying everywhere. No other comments were passed. Oh, look at the shine on that. I'm liking it. Alright, we have to do these legal vehicle checks before the bus can leave its depot. Does all that, no problem. Checks onto the my ticketing machine, all's good. Leaves the depot. Okay, Muhle Rocca, Nasset blade, white second use. Excellent blade feel, I love it. Again, another razor which doesn't get used anywhere near enough. It's great when you've got a lot of growth. Mid aggression. It is aggressive for some people. Now somewhere lurking here, is that it? Sorry, I'll just take it. I'll just surgically decap it if need be. Anyway, back to the job. Oh, lovely blade feel. Leaves the bus depot. You see the lava actually coming out these channels at the end. Pulls into the bus station. First stop. There's somebody, a passenger. Buys a weekly ticket. Jumps on board. I wait for the minutes to tick by until it's my legal departure time. Oh, love an razor. You can have too many good razors, you know, and you just neglect so many. And it just close under the lip there, nattering. Right, lad gets on, waits to the minute hand to tick to the correct departure time. Ticket machine tells me when it's the correct departure time. Offer pops, starts the route. Oh, nice, very nice. Now, on modern bus ticketing machines, like everything else, they're connected up via the satellite systems, so the companies can spy on the drivers to make sure they're not doing naughty things like running early. Running early when you're driving a commuter bus, I did catch myself under the lip yakkering. Driving early, leaving early on a commuter bus is number one sin. You don't do it. The ticket machine lets you know if you're running early because it'll come up red. Sure enough, it came up red. I thought, what's this stupid ticket machine on about? It must be faulty. What a place to catch myself under the lip. Again, that's what you get. Being a YouTube shaver and yakking away. I thought, ticket machine's faulty, must be something to do with the satellites. Nay, it remained red. Gets to my next timing point, which is a group of shops. My ticket machine's still warning me with this red, cold red, Japanese flag. So, well, this isn't right. Something's not right here. I'm not talking under there at the moment. So it checks my watch, checks the ticket machine, it checks my duty number. I've only gotten up an hour early, haven't I? And I haven't paid any attention to the hour hand on my watch. See, my body clock was totally knocked up. So I thought, oh, bugger. I thought, words to that effect. So I had to phone a depot and tell them what I'd done. The funny thing was that nobody had noticed before I'd left. So the passenger I had on, I had to kick him off because I was actually running illegally. In real terms, I was actually operating an illegal route by being out that early. So I had to kick him off and return to depot and have another cup of coffee. But I went to Greg's. Greg's the Bakers. £3 for a coffee and a sausage roll. A bacon roll rather. I really wish I had nicked myself under that lip because it's stinging somewhat. Great cutting angle. You can feel this razor really getting to work. Oh, decut that spot. I knew I'd get it eventually. So I've got a couple of openings up there now. Bugger it. Just gonna have a cold water rinse there. But nothing gets out of this out. So it's just one spot they capped, which I was expecting, and little nick under the top lip through yakking. And it's sweeping those whistles off the neck. How's everybody else's week thus far? Excellent. Right, cold water rinse. Swap. Put a bit of alum on the chin there. Actually, that nick isn't stinging. You've never seen Jim will show you before. When I nick, it always looks a lot worse than it is because I bleed like a pig. Hardly anything to report off the alum, so that was quite a gentle shave. Rinse the gunk. Yeah. Now then. Feeling BBS, and there's a nice post shave feel off the soap. Looks like the bloodletting stopped. So in Jim will shave terms, that's a successful shave. Just looked worse than it was at the time. Okay, what am I going to use for afters? I haven't used it for a while. Argo, because I don't think I've got any scent that I could pair up with Matti's soap. Happy with that? That'll do for work in the morning. Okay, just to recap. Soap for today was a Matti Lindholm soap. First use, I'm very pleased with it indeed. Brush was a Steve McEwen, Silver Birch brushes, Tuxedo. Razor for today was a Muhle Rocca. Then there was a Nash set blade on its second use, and yes, it looks like all the bloodletting stopped. Just a mark from that decap spot. So, in my book, that's a success. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Thanks for all the recent subscribers. Nearly there on that 500. 30th of April will be a 12-month shave anniversary type of video. Okay, all stay safe, guys. I've done that a few times. Guys, not gays. And I'll see you all further down the line. Bye bye now.